Alright, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. Hopefully everyone had a good day, everybody is safe. We're about to see what's inside and see what they sent us. Here we go. Hopefully everyone had a good day, everybody is safe. And we have here... move this out of the way. Oh boy. It's coming from Happrun. Just in time for some football. We got football tonight. Watch it on a new projector. Here we go. LED projector. Alright. Okay, let's take a look. See how this is. This is interesting. How do I open it? Oh well. We don't need this. I'm gonna rip it all the way through. Here we go. Ooh. Oh boy. Alright, hold on. Alright guys, this is a Model H1 home theater video entertainment. Alright. Now we get down to business. We'll set it up downstairs on the big screen. If I can open this up. There we go. And now we have here a couple of things. Box. That's probably the power in it. Power cord and stuff like that. Stuff we need to proceed. There we go. Oh, this is super light. Not heavy at all. There we go. We got the manual. Oh yeah, this looks nice. So if you're looking for a new projector, definitely check these guys out. Great for football, hockey season coming up. So we got winter sports, college football this weekend. So a lot of good things you could be watching. A lot of movies. Oops. Okay, so let's see what's in this box. Power cord, standard, and we got here HDMI, basic, and we got these old school, so you can hook up your Nintendo, maybe a VCR. Here's a remote, so this is another one of these type. There we go. To the AAA. And now we have here the projector, looking smooth. Here's the back. And right here you could always use this as a tripod. Just gotta find your length. You can always mount it. There's projector mounts you could get. And they got the non-slip guards. And make sure you take off the cover. Ooh. Nice lens. You could always adjust auto. There we go. Yeah, it's super lightweight. Can't wait to test this out. Gonna see you guys in a few. Alright guys, here we are in the main menu. looking good. Even though I got the light on, I'm gonna have to shut that door. But look how clear that looks. And I gotta make a few adjustments to where I'm gonna have this set up. There's a surprise. New item test. We'll go to HDMI and try it out. There we go. HDMI should pop up. Boom. Alright guys, here's a quick of the MLB The Show. Great game. Here we go. Look at the picture. Look how clear that is. And now I'm going to shut that light by the door. I'm really close, so I'm going to have to adjust the position. But look at that. Watching the show. Boom. Here we go. From a distance. But yeah, still sunny out. But look at that quality picture. Amazing stuff, guys. So if you're looking, this is a good one to get. Look at that. Boom. You can see the dirt kick up. Good catch. That's his. But yeah, definitely really nice. Especially for video games, movies, sports, TV shows. You guys be safe. Have a good weekend.